flags and said farewell, and tied the knot and raised a sail. We threw our hearts into the sea, forgot all of our memories. The wind was sweet and smelled of home. The sea was rough and felt not known. Escaping shores of lunacy, dawn light, twilight, infinity. Can we keep our bearings straight? Or will we be blown off course? Are we instruments of fate? Or do we really have a choice? Voice whispers in the gales, like in the songs and childhood tales, where krakens raging in the sea crack shapes into a million pieces. Or can we keep our bearings straight? Will we be blown off course? Are we instruments of fate? Or do we really have a choice? The sea, forgot all of our memories.
Toomas on söönud või? kolm söönud, spoon kinni.